excited today to share with you a mystery box. So this is from Pink and Main. It's supposed to be $400 worth of stuff for $89. However, I also got a little discount because if you're a member of their subscription, you get a discount. So I think it was 10%. So it was a little bit less than that. So you let me know if you think that this was worth it. So I'm going to go ahead and get some things out so it's much easier. I've seen other people's boxes and they are all slightly different. So let me get everything out. Okay, so the first thing that I want to share with you guys is we get one of their Pink and Main envelopes. I don't think this is a really big one. I think it's more like a medium-sized one, but they're very nice. They hold quite a bit. We've got some foilables. So these are ones that are used with hot foil. And so this one is an Irish theme. And then this one is a Christmas theme. Give you an idea. And then there's these two random pieces that I don't know where they came from. Then we've got this one right here, which is a stencil. And this one is called the Let It Be stencil. I don't know if I think I have that one. I'll have to look and see. And I got two stencils in mine. Here is the other stencil that I got. This one looks pretty useful. So they're pretty big. But you've got like this one you can use as like a mask, and then you've got something that could go over and decorate them. So very cute. And then there's this one right here, which is called Pocket of Sunshine. This was very, very cute. And we also got the matching die. This one right here, which I actually have this one. And this one is called Flurries and the die. Then we have this one, which is called Catitude and the die. This one, which is a quite big, it's called Little Angels and the die. We have this one, which I was very excited about because I know exactly what I'm going to use this for. I have my Japanese stamp from, I think it's the Greeting Farm. They have a travel one, like they've got Australia, they've got Mexico, they've got Greece, Thailand, Korea, and one of them is Japan. So I thought this would be really cool. So this is Cherry Blossoms. So I'm excited. I was excited to see that. And I also got the die. Let's see if there's any more stamps. Oh, there's one more. So this one is a stamp and die bundle called Beach Unicorn and the die. So there you go for all of that. And then this is a Sympathy Slimline. And I think it says With Sympathy, and it's got the outline, and it's really, like, the With Sympathy is pretty big, which is nice because you could just use that Cherry Blossoms and then just use the sentiment, and you've got a sympathy card, which you try to keep simple, I think. Personally, I mean, that's my opinion, but that's what I think. Sunburst Slimline. And then I've got this one, which is called the Fancy Lattice die, so it's a cover die. And then this one, which is a pull and flip die. And then this is a web corner die. And a rainbow and clouds with the little sun. I really like the little sun die. And then we have some embossing folder. Oh, we have one more stencil. So there we go, right here. Put that in there. This is called Triangles. It's an embossing folder, 6x6. And then a rainbow embossing folder. And then I saw some people got two different paper packs, but I'm really glad with what I got, which is I got a foil cardstock and a paper pad. So I feel like this is much more useful having this foil. So it's 4 sheets of silver and 4 sheets of gold. So that's cool. And then there are these little mini stamps. There's this acorn one. It says hello there. And then there's this little pumpkin with the sunflower. And then some enamel dots. These are like a sparkly one. And then we have some kind of cool little elements. They are like gems, I guess. This one's like a purple. This is a cream. And then we have some sequins that are kind of 4th of July-ish. Oh, and a stamp cleaner, craft cleaner. So let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think this was worth $89, which is what it was worth? And so really, I guess I should look and see what I'm definitely going to keep. These are maybes. This is definitely keep. This is definitely keep. This is maybe. This is probably not going to keep. This is maybe, except to see if I have that one. Keep, 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 and keep, and keep. This one is maybe. This one is definitely keep. This is not keep. I don't know where the, oh, this is, I don't know where the guys are for that one, but they're somewhere. Keep, not keep, not keep. Probably keep. I need to make sure. Probably not. And then the stamp cleaner. So I think for sure I'm keeping these as long as I don't have them. I'm keeping this stamp set. I'm keeping this. This is that goes with that. I'm keeping the cherry blossoms. I'm probably going to keep this. I'm probably going to keep this and this and this and probably this and probably this and all of the other accoutrements. I think that's worth more than $89. I think that's worth, I say it's worth probably double that. So I think that's pretty good in my opinion of things that I want to keep. So that's always the hardest part. It's like, and this is like maybe. These are maybes right here. So, but this is the stuff that's going to go into my de-stash. So I still have a couple of boxes left. I'm going to kind of pack them up with some extra stuff, and then I'm probably going to re-list those. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching. This is Cindy praying for Heart.